Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use green screen on Capcut. So just go to Google first. Now here search for download green screen. Now go to images, press on a photo. Now press on a photo and click on download image. Now just go back, go to Capcut app, click on the top left camera option. Now click on album, which is in the right side of the camera. Now pick a photo or video. I'm just picking a photo. Click on edit in the bottom right. Again click on edit in the bottom left. Scroll in the bottom and here you can see cutout option. Just click on cutout. Click on the first option, background. Now go back 2 times. Scroll in the bottom and here you can see the second last option, canvas. Click on it. Click on background, the middle one. You can see the second option, plus. Click on it. Now pick the green screen here. Now click on the top right download option. So guys, this is how can you use green screen on Capcut. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.